Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah. Welcome back to my channel. We are here for another one of our countdown to Christmas days in our advent calendar series, and today's offering in my Etsy shop is another tag bag. So it's exactly as the name suggests. You've got a little bag, paper sort of bag that I've made here in the shape of a tag, and it contains tags. So on the front of the pouch you've got various different items kind of layered up and things that you could disassemble and cut up and use obviously in your own projects. And then going inside the pouch we've got 10 different tags. So the first tag here is this little tag. I'm not going to probably show you, sorry, all the backs of them, because on the whole, you know, they're all going to be plain because they're just tags. But this one here, you've got some vintage book page and then some patterned paper and then various elements layered up. You've got a butterfly here, some lace and then some bling. So super pretty in all the lilacs and the sort of mauves and pinks. Then this one here, you've got again some decorative paper and then lots of flowers and things layered up, a large butterfly, one of those gorgeous little oval rose cameo pieces, a little tag there saying enjoy, and then you've got some lace here as a tab at the corner, and this one's actually got a little image on the back as well. This one here, this is some decoupage napkin, and then you've got a couple of flowers on there. You've got a stamped image here with a little quote, and then you've got a stamped image here of a butterfly with some bling running down the center of the butterfly, and then just a stamped image there saying the word postcard. And then on the top you've just got a whole reinforcer and then some lace which I've just distress inked up to make it look quite grungy. So that's that tag. Then this one here, I love how this one looks. It's such beautiful vibrant colors. You've got various different papers and then you've got some vintage sheet music, a little butterfly there with some bling running across him, and then some lace which again I just distress inked across and stuck at the top. So that's that one. Then this one here, you've got some gorgeous polka dot scrapbook paper. I love my polka dots, as you know. And then I've just got one of my little vintage cigarette card printables there with a little butterfly and some vintage sheet music, a bit of lace at the bottom that's been just distress inked. You've got a little hole reinforcer, and then super cute, you've got a little hangy baby tag, which also is in this polka dot paper, but it's not actually the same paper, but it coordinates really, really nicely, and they're both polka dots. And then I've just stamped over those polka dots and just also put a stamped image over there as well, and a little tiny Martha Stewart butterfly, and then just hung them together with some of that lovely ball chain like that. So love that one. This one here, you've got some vintage book page, a bit of vintage sheet music, a stamped image there of like some crossword. This is a vintage book image here, and then you've just got a stamped image here of the word postcard. You've got a little stamped postcard down there and a flower, and then it's all just been stitched onto this kind of craft coloured card base, and then at the top you've just got some fabric there through the hole. And then this one, I love this one, it's probably my favourite in this pack. It's got this gorgeous muted soft blue paper at the back, and then you've just got a bit of layering going on, and then you've got this gorgeous kind of muted grey type flower there, a bit of lace going across here with some bling, and then this beautiful stamped faux postage stamp part of a digi-kit there, and then you've got some lace at the top with some pearl trim just going across. I love how that looks, it's just so pretty, and this one's actually been backed onto watercolour paper. Then you've got this gorgeous little tag here. You've got lots of lovely stamping on the background in that beautiful oh, I've forgotten the name now of that distress ink. Oh, let me see, I think it might be on the top of the pile. Wild Honey distress ink there with the stamping, and then you've just got the flowers and a little bit there, and then a couple of clocks and some lace trim, and then at the top you've just got some lace trim as the tab with some eyelash trim around that as well. Then this one here, you've just got again some decorative paper and then various things layered up. Gorgeous little word there saying timeless, And then you've just got some lace trim going off to the side again as this sort of tab. And then the final one, this, I love this, it's probably my second favourite, or possibly my favourite, I'm not sure. Not sure which of the two I would choose, but this one is some of my collage base page, you know, the masterboard. And what I've done, I've stitched around it in a couple of places, and then I've put it all onto some coffee dyed paper, and then stitched around the whole tag, and then just popped on some coffee dyed full little image here of this gorgeous little animal, and then the word nurturing just to the side, and then finish it off with this beautiful ribbon, which just ties in and coordinates so lovely with the blue in the papers below. So that's your 10 tags. You know, super cute little tags there, and they all just go into that little tag pouch. So as I say, that's my offering for today, which is the 9th of December. So we are racing through to Christmas, and yeah, obviously, as I've said every day, this will be in my Etsy shop at 2 p.m. my time, which is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you wanted to, you know, hop across to my Etsy shop and have a look, that's the time that it will be in there. So I hope that you like it, and thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you all have a great day, and hopefully see you guys tomorrow for my continuation of my advent calendar. So thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Bye.